everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to my media channel, and today we're going to do an unboxing / discussion of this. What is this? This is a box set trilogy of films by Guillermo del Toro. Mainstream audiences might remember him as the director of two of the Hellboy movies, the two good ones, of course, and Pacific Rim. And he also got award-worthy with The Shape of Water, a movie that has unfortunately been classified as that movie where a woman has sex with a fish, even though that makes me cringe because that's so totally missing the point in my opinion. But anyway, this is from, well, as you can probably figure out, the Criterion Collection, because I like talking about Criterion Collection. Now, this is interesting because Criterion Collection has released 3 Guillermo del Toro movies in Criterion, and they all have an individual release with a booklet and everything like that, and then they release this. Now, most of the time when Criterion has a bunch of movies from a director, they'll just put it in like a box, and you'll have the individual numbers, and then the box will be another number, and that's one way to get through your collection pretty fast. I mean, seriously, look at, if you have a Criterion box set that's numbered, look at the disc spines and then look at the box spine, and you'll see that the box itself is actually considered an entry in Criterion Collection, but not this one. And I think it was done this way because, well, Criterion, how should I put this? They didn't plan to have multiple Del Toro movies, and so as a result, that made it a little difficult to do a box set and have it put comfortably on the shelf. So instead, they have put it in its own little unique box, and we're going to open it, we're going to look at it, we're going to see what it looks like, and whether or not this is something that you want to get if you are, like me, trying to get all of the Criterion Collection releases, and you want to put them on the shelf and everything. So anyway, let's look at this, and I really like this cover, and it says Kronos, the Devil's Backbone, and Pan's Labyrinth. If you look on the side, there is no spine number. No spine number. What about on this side? Still nothing. So this is not a spine number release, although again, it has 3 movies that do have spine numbers, but that means that if you're trying to get the whole collection, you're either going to have to accept that they're going to be out of order on your shelf, or you're going to have to buy the individual releases too. And, well, we're going to even look and see if that's worth doing. So, let's open this. And one of the reasons we're opening this now is because my wife wants to see Pan's Labyrinth. And I said, okay, we will watch it, but you know what? I have to film myself unboxing this first and discussing it. So, it feels very nice. It's a very nice. Now, how do you open this? Criterion Collect. Oh, okay. So this is how you open it. It's a top, and you have the fairies from Pan's Labyrinth in Concelis Nostris Fatum Nostrum Est. That might be from one of the movies. I actually haven't seen Kronos. So you have, oh, this is gonna be crazy. So you have Kronos there. Let's see if I can actually open this. And then you, whoa, okay. Let's go back for a second. You have the Devil's Backbone, and you have on the bottom Pan's Labyrinth. There you have that weird creature from Pan's Labyrinth, and you have this super nice book. Now, the one thing I'm not entirely certain of is whether or not this is the same, if these are the same essays that are in the individual releases. And I no longer have those individual releases to confirm, but it's a very nice book. I like these little notes here. As you can see, there's some scripts. So I think this is probably the original content from the booklets and the individual releases, but has been retrofitted to be put into this box set. By the way, I like that little sketch right there. Kind of shows that I think Del Toro should make a fully animated movie, although I hear he's doing that with Pinocchio, so not the Disney Pinocchio. Pan's Labyrinth, that's definitely, in my opinion, the highlight of this set. So I like this hardcover book, and there's this interesting little picture of Del Toro at the age of 9 as a vampire drinking blood. So yeah, very, very, very cool. Now that, let's take at least one of these, see, it's hard to get it to stand up, one of these discs out, and that's what the disc looks like. These are very easy to take out, by the way. Now, I'm noticing that they all appear to be, well, let's take one of these out over here. They're all the same general design. Now, I'm pretty sure the original releases have a different disc design. So if you are a Criterion completionist, it's harder to get them in than it is to get them out, which I guess that's a problem I'd be okay having. I'd rather have a hard time getting them back in than have them getting out. So here's the thing. These discs are almost certainly the same as the individual releases, but they are in this very, very nice package, and the disc cover has been redesigned, and it's been given its own thing. So the question remains, if you are a Criterion Collection completist, do you buy this in addition to the individual releases or not? Well, and that really kind of depends on you. Like, this is a nice package, and it will save on shelf space, but as you can see, there's no spine, and some of the booklet content might be a little different. So here's the thing. If you are not necessarily a completionist, like, hey, you want all the releases, but the packaging doesn't really matter, then, you know, this is probably the better one to get. You'll save $20, and if you do one of those 50% off sales, then you'll get this for $50, whereas one of the individual movies at retail price will set you back $40. So you could save a lot of money this way. It looks really nice on the shelf. Where you're going to put it on the shelf, that's entirely up to you. On the other hand, if you are a completionist and you obsess about the spine numbers and everything, this is probably not going to be for you. It doesn't fit that collection mold. You might want to get the individual releases. And if you are a super big Criterion fan and you're like buying laser discs, VHS, all that jazz, and yeah, this is a very nice set. It's just something that it's beautiful to look at, and if I wasn't worried about filming it, like, it's much more comfortable to open and everything. It actually opens kind of like a children's book, which is interesting because these are not suitable for kids. But Pan's Labyrinth is a, you know, adult fairy tale, if you will. So anyway, that is the Trilogia de Guillermo del Toro box set. I probably botched that, of Kronos, The Devil's Backbone, and Pan's Labyrinth. And I got this at 50% off, so it was a great buy for me, and I love two of these. I haven't seen Kronos yet, to be perfectly frank, but I probably will watch that soon. So anyway, that's where we're going to leave this one. What says you? Do you have this Blu-ray set? Do you know, what's your opinion on whether or not this is the one to get, or the individuals, or do you want to get them both? I'd like to know. Comment below. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.